your PC startup time. Even prevent annoying errors, screen freezes, and crashes.
The best thing about mycleanpc.com was they had a free diagnosis.
You know immediately what the problem is, and the problem is solved right then and there.
My computer is 100% faster. My clean PC works.
Download your free diagnosis today at mycleanpc.com. That's mycleanpc.com.
This is your brain. This is your brain on bacon. Any questions?
I'm ready. My trail partner, Scott, claims that I make a good living tracking down the treasures of the old Wild West.
The right old whiskey bottle can be worth thousands of dollars.
Follow Brit and Scott as they pick, dig, and find their way to the old West.
You guys have Butch Cassidy's woolly shacks.
Turning America's past
That was used to telegraph the White House.
into cash.
$9,325 selling some old treasures.
Ghost Town Gold. All new Tuesday at 10. Only on Destination America.
Every September in Yellowstone, bull elk face off in an impressive show of strength. The rut will determine who gets breeding rights to the harems of females. They try to pierce each other's necks with their antler points. But like sumo wrestlers, these two 700-pound males are evenly matched. Neither can penetrate the other's defenses. Rutting elk will often fight to the death. A well-aimed thrust or snap neck will kill even the largest opponent. And on rare occasions, their antlers become permanently locked, and both die of starvation.